Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you'd like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today what I'm going to be doing is going over how you're going to be able to obtain $5,000 a month trading prop firm capital. Now a lot of people don't understand the fact that trying to trade small capital into big capital, it's not really realistic and it's not consistent long term. But if you have bigger capital, you lower your risk and you trade accordingly, you will be able to grow this bigger capital into more capital, and your profits per month, even getting 1%, is going to be exponential. Don't forget, guys and girls, if you want to get into my one-time fee mentorship VIP service where I give out the trades that I actually use to pass these prop firm accounts and a whole bunch of other trades as well, like golden indices, then make sure you click on this link above here. And with all that being said, guys and girls, let's get straight into the video.
Starting from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.
Okay, so we're on the charts at the moment, and I think the most important thing for people to be able to understand is that you need to know what the market does. The market moves in 4 phases. Before you've even got a strategy, understand this. There's an accumulation stage, there's an advancing stage, there's a distribution stage, and there's a declining stage. I trade stages 2 and 4. This is what I use to swing trade when I'm trying to catch the trade setups I'm looking for in order to pass these prop challenges. Don't get me wrong. There is no perfect way of you being able to tell which phase you're in, but when you are in this phase, this is when the better setups appear and the longer lasting trades for your risk to reward. So I'm going to get into another piece of information that's going to help you out. So now we are on this Excel sheet, and this is what I like to call for my students that I teach. You can get into my group by joining the one-time fee mentorship. I teach them that there's something you can call the circle of profits. Now, this is coined by myself. This is not a strategy or a method that, is out there in the Forex community. I just call it the circle of profits. And the reason why I call this is because it's more of a psychology, so you can understand what the circle of profits is and how you're going to be able to do what I'm explaining within a period of 2 years. Yes, there is going to be times you're not going to pass these prop accounts, but this is why we're giving it 2 years. So look what happens here. In Q1 of the year, I wasn't actually passing any of these prop firm challenges. In Q2, I passed one 20k challenge. In Q3, I was able to pass 2 prop firm challenges at 20k. So altogether that brought my capital to 60k. Now, of course, we're coming into Q4 now, and I'm looking to obtain a $50,000 account and hopefully so a $100 account. But look what happens here when we go over to this section on the right. So this is all the months of trading, live 1, live 2. I started from the beginning of the year, so it's easier for me to record this. You can start your year from whenever. The month I actually passed here, you can see the 5th month. This is where I was able to get my first 1% on the account. So we were able to bank $200. Then you can see in the next month, I was able to get 2 accounts, so we're able to bank $400. This is me at the end of 30 days getting a profit of 1% on each account. Now you can see the same thing happening here. When I got the other account, you can see here I was able to bank $600 and so on for the months going. So you can already see how the accounts are compounding each month, and I'm able to bank more money just by trading 1% but passing my prop firm challenge accounts. So when we go into month 9, I've already managed to get to this figure. I'm just waiting for the payout of this amount. Now, of course, we're going into the future here, but when we go into month 10, my aim is to be able to get $600 on the account, again the free accounts. Then I'm going to be looking to also pass a 50k account where I'll be getting $500. So you can see my capital has gone from 200 to 400 to 600 per month, and now passing a 50k challenge has now gone to a capital of 1,100. Now going into the next month, which is November for me, I'm looking to pass a 100k challenge, but being able to use the profits from this account. Also, I get my refund money back as well. Remember that, people, to now go and get myself a 100k account. Passing the 100k account, now my capital goes up to 2,100. 100. So I've started off at the beginning of the year only making $200 a month from one account passing, but now I'm up to a point where I'm making $2,100 by the end of the year. Yes, this hasn't happened on these accounts at the moment, but of course this is what happens. The same way I was able to get up to 600 is the same way I keep the process going for me to be able to get up to 2,100 trading 1% profit a month. People, trust me, you can do this. This is not something incredibly hard. A lot of people are doing this at the moment, but you're trading a small account and it's not helping, because when you get 1%, even on $1,000, you're only making $10 profit. This isn't going to do a lot for you. But if you're able to get that same 1% on a $210,000 account, now you're at a point where you're making $2,100 a month, doing the same exact trading you did on that $1,000 account. And we can see going into month 12, same thing, even December, all it is 1%. It's very possible to get 1% profit in December. My Neo trade showed that data in the pip count in December. Now what happens is we go over into year 2. So of course this is periods where we're not in at the moment, and it is the future, just like Q4 is still part of the future now. My aim for year 2 is to be able to get 300k accounts, which is 300,000 worth of trading capital. I'm not being unrealistic with this, because I'm giving myself the period of 12 months in order to pass free account challenges. Hear that, people, 12 months. I'm not giving myself 15 days or 30 days only. I'm saying in a period of 12 months, I might be able to pass free account challenges. I've shown that I was able to do this in the previous year by passing the free 20k accounts. We're at a period here where we are still making the same profits all the way until it gets up until month 4. Now my profit has come up to 3,100 a month. Remember, this is just going into a next year of trading, and I'm already banking 3,100 a month. Again, 1% capital on these prop accounts. Now we go over into month 5. It's the same thing. Now let's move over into month 9. You can see here I was able to pass another challenge, and what happened here? Now my capital is 4,100 a month. Then when we get into month 11, I've managed to pass the free accounts, which are 300k's worth of capital. And now altogether, I've got 510k worth of capital, because I'm making 5,100 a month. Now, this isn't even the maximum amount of accounts you can get on My Forex Funds. You can actually get up to 600k worth of capital. So therefore, you being able to do this with 600k's worth of capital, you'll be making $6,000 a month, and that's getting 1% profit. When you have those good months like the Neo trading strategy had in February, you're going to get trades, pretty much all of them win, and they're going to go 1 to 5 or 10 risk to reward, which is amazing. And those months you could make 5 to 10%. Even on these other months you might make 3 or 4% as well, leveraging some profits to make more profit. So I want you guys and girls to understand this. This is a long-term process, but what you need to do is stop trying to trade $100 on an account and trying to flip it to $1,000 or $2,000. Go and get yourself a My Forex Funds account. You can go on my affiliate link on my YouTube description below. This will take you to their website. You need to go to this section here, the evaluation account, and you need to scroll down and you'll see the account sizes you want to get. 5k, 10k, 20k, 50k, 100k, 200k. If you're a really serious person but don't have a lot of funds, go and get yourself a 5k account. You can use this account to keep growing and growing until you can get yourself a 10k, 20k, 50k, 100k, 200k. It's not a race, people, and you do not have to do it within 2 years. You might end up doing it within 3 to 4 years. But within 3 to 4 years, if you're making 6 to 12,000 profit a month, come on, people, that's a lot of money, and you're going to be able to change your life. Exponential growth. That's the period. So stop trying to compound small accounts into big accounts. Compound these prop accounts, which is already big enough capital, trade them with good risk, and you'll be able to grow your account up to 600k's worth of capital, making a lot of money. So don't forget that the affiliate link is in the description below. And if you want to get into my one-time mentorship VIP service, hit your boy up in Discord or Telegram. It's Big John. I hope you like this information. If you want any requests on any other videos that I can do, please let me know in the comments below. And on that note, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.